क्या किया था प्रैक्टिकल में कल? आज होमवर्क दिया था आपको एक, कल एक होमवर्क दिया था आपको। दिया था ना? किया? ठीक है, प्रैक्टिकल आज दे दूंगा। किया था आपने होमवर्क? आपको कहा था ना एक होमवर्क करने को, कि जो प्रैक्टिकल मैंने कराया उसको रियल डिवाइस पे करके देखना है। करा? हो गया? क्या? ऑक्सिलरी पोर्ट पे कंसोल केबल लगा रखी थी। दूसरा इशू, इफ यू आर गेटिंग ए इशू लाइक दिस, पहली प्रॉब्लम ये होगी तेरे साथ। दूसरी प्रॉब्लम, तू डिवाइस को टेलनेट मार रहा है, उस पर पासवर्ड सेट नहीं है, फिर तू ऑक्सिलरी पोर्ट में केबल घुसा रहा था। हो जाता है, सो लिया करो रात को। नहीं सोता आदमी यार, नींद में कुछ भी कर देता है, वरना ऐसा होगा नहीं यार। नॉर्मल सी बात, ऐसा होना पॉसिबल नहीं। होमवर्क याद दिलाना भाई, आखिरी के 10 मिनट में डिस्कस करेंगे। फाइन। फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी विल डिस्कस अबाउट क्लास फुल एंड क्लास प्लस। कल का होमवर्क पता चल गया? कल का होमवर्क अभी दिया था, R1 R2 R3। फाइन। when R1 has to reach any destination in this particular network, it will use path via, but if it has to reach 10002, it will use path via R3। this will be the homework। रियल डिवाइस पे करना है इसको। कैसे? सवाल तो अभी आएगा। व्हाट विल बी द प्रॉब्लम? यहाँ सीरियल यूज कर लियो। फिर भी डाउन ही रहा। 2600 पे कर रहे थे, 1800 पे कर लिया। When you are using serial cable, use 1800। प्रॉब्लम क्या होगी बता देता हूँ तेरे को। यू पीपल आर यूजिंग स्मार्ट सीरियल केबल, फाइन, बट 2600 स्मार्ट सीरियल केबल को सपोर्ट नहीं करता। कौन सा सपोर्ट करता है? 1800। नाउ माय कंसर्न इज टू टेल यू अबाउट classless and classful routing protocols। Guys, try to understand a simple thing, very simple thing। What are classful routing protocols? जिसको जहां समझ में ना आए यार, देखो, classful routing protocols, what are classful routing protocols? This is R1, fine। R1 has a network। Now guys, networks are of two types, classful and classless। All of you know about these two types of networks? Okay, first of all we will take example of, let's say, 10.0.0/8। Here I am running a network 10.0.0.0/8। What is the behavior of classful routing protocol? Whenever R1 will send an update, what R1 will send? In the update, R1 will send network like this. Network 10.0.0.0, R1 will never advertise its mask. R1 will never advertise its mask. This thing is clear? So whenever we are dealing with class full routing protocols, router will advertise the network, but router will never advertise the mask. Okay, let's take another example. Classless 172.168.1.0/24. This is class full or classless? Classless. Why? This IP address belongs to class B and subnet mask we are using of class C. Now, when R1 has to forward the information, again R1 will only include the network 172.168. 0.0. Router will never include the mask. These are two cases. Fine. Now we will think from the perspective of R2. How R2 will understand? In first case, R2 will say this network is which network? 10.0.0.0. By default, it belongs to which class? Class A. For class A, subnet mask is /8. Agree? Now R2 will get this network also 172.168.0. Now R2 will say this network belongs to which class? So class R2 will assign it a subnet mask of /60. This thing is clear. This is the behavior of class full routing protocols, that whenever they will send an update of their own networks, they will never advertise masks. It means VLSM will not work with class full routing protocols. What thing will not work? Okay. What is VLSM? Let's say this time. This is R1, this is R2. Here I am running a network 172.168 1.0/20. Here I am running 172.168 2.0/. Here I am running a network /. When R1 will send an update, R1 will send it like this. When R2 will receive it, R2 will mark this network as /. When R2 will send an update, R2 will send it like. When R1 will receive the update, R1 will receive it like. This thing is fine. So both routers are exchanging information of same network or different network? Same network. Fine. Why? R1 भी वही information दे रहा है और R2 भी कभी भी information exchange नहीं होगी. So that's why I am saying VLSM will not work in case of classful routing protocols. This thing is clear. Fine. What are classless routing protocols? What do you mean by classless routing protocols? Whenever a router will advertise the update, in the update, router will include the mask. So the other router will get the real network. So if the subnet is 172.168.1.0/24, how R1 will forward it? Slash is 24. This thing is clear. Any issues? Routing protocol is RIP. RIP stands for Routing Information Protocol. Fine. Now guys, first thing, RIP is a layer 7 protocol. RIP works at which layer? Layer 7. of OSI model. Fine. Next thing, RIP uses UDP port number 520. Keep this thing in mind always. Any protocol which uses TCP or UDP always works at which layer? Layer 7. Fine. Next thing, AD for RIP is, metric for RIP is hop count, and maximum metric that RIP support is 15. What do you mean by this thing? A RIP update cannot travel for more than 15 hops. On 16th hop, it becomes invalid. अब यार क्वेश्चन पूछने को तो मैं यहाँ ये भी the question I can ask here also, why this thing is there? ये चीज बनाई क्यों गई? हाँ जी, guys, try to use your own brain. I am building a protocol. I will build a protocol that will work in any network. See, that is the thing you are saying, that is after RIP is in the market. Fine. What I am trying to say, after RIP is in the market, people say it is for small networks. But the truth, try to understand this thing also. What you are thinking, the network of 15 routers is small. Are you fucked up, man? See, in big MNCs, where there are how many employees? 10,000. What do you think? How many routers will be used there? I am making some things clear. Yes. How many routers will be there? Yes? 10. Okay. Let's say I am using /24 subnet. Fine. /24 subnet. 250 users in one subnet. 250 into 4, 1000. How many subnets will be there? 40. 40 subnets will be maintained by only a single router. A router can maintain 40 networks in its routing table. It's very easy. So how many routers we need? One, maximum 2 for redundancy. If one will fail, other will work. So what you are saying, for if I have a network with 14 routers, how many users can sit there? Try to understand. This is just a misconception we have in our mind, that RIP is used for. Which network will you think is a big network? Yes. Understand this thing. Fine. You will get into these things when you will learn design. Fine. Criteria. This is right. Design man. This is how you will connect. What you people think, on a switch, single network will reside. But on a switch, multiple networks will be there by creating VLANs, truths. So what I will do, I will create 40 VLANs on switches. I will connect users with them. I will connect them to a router. A router will have how many routes? 40 routes in the routing table. This thing is clear. यार इस फोन में मैं मैक्सिमम कितने गाने डाल सकता हूँ किस पे डिपेंड करता है? फोन की मेमोरी पे। वो बात किस पे डिपेंड करेगी? राउटर की मेमोरी पे। ठीक है जी। द सेम थिंग मैं आपको कह रहा हूँ ना, ये सारा कंसर्न किसका है? डिजाइन का। कितने राउटर लगाने हैं, कौन सा राउटर लगाना है, कौन सा स्विच लगाना है, कहां लगाना है, कैसे लगाना है, डिपेंड किस पे करता है? डिजाइन पे। डिजाइन की बात कर सकते हैं हम, लेकिन उसके लिए आपके पास बहुत अच्छी अंडरस्टैंडिंग होनी चाहिए चीजों की, क्योंकि डिजाइन में कभी मैं ये नहीं देखता राउटर कौन सा लगेगा। फर्स्ट थिंग, you want to purchase a phone, you will never say I want to buy an Android phone. What you will think, what is your need? According to your need you will buy a phone. Agree? I have to build a network. First thing that I will see, what is the need of user, what kind of application user want to run. On that basis I will build up a network.